हॅलो स्टुडंट, मी गायत्री सदाफळ पुन्हा एकदा तुमचं स्वागत करते आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर महाराष्ट्र मीडियावर. तरी तुम्ही अजूनही आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि साईडला दिलेल्या बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करा. ओके, सो लेट स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. Rearrange the columns 2 and 3 so as to match with the column first. See the answers. Trade is the average of the first and the third atomic mass. Okay, its name is a Domberia traits. Octave, properties of the 8th element similar to the first. Who is discovered that? That is Newland. Atomic number, positive charge on nucleus, Moseley. Period, sequential change in the molecular formulae, Mendeleev. After that, nucleus, concentrated mass and positive charge by Rutherford. And last is electron, lightest and negatively charged particle in all the atoms, discovered by Thomson. Question number 2. Choose the correct option and rewrite the statement. In that, A, the number of electrons in the outermost shell of alkali metals is, answer is 1. B, alkaline earth metals have valency. This means that their position in the modern periodic table is in dash dash. Alkaline earth metals have valency 2. This means that their position in modern periodic table is in group second. C, molecular formula of the chlorine of an element X is HCl. This compound is a solid having the high melting point. Which of the following element be present in the same group as a X? Answer is sodium. Question number D. In which block of the modern periodic table are the nonmetals found? In P block of the modern periodic table, nonmetals are found. Question number 3. An element has its electronic configuration 282. Now answer the following question. What is the atomic number of this element? Answer. The atomic number of this element is 12. B, what is the group of this element? Answer, the group of this element is 2. C question, to which period does this element belong? Answer is, this element belong to the period third. D, with which of the following element would this element resemble? Answer is nitrogen, beryllium, argon, fluorine, or answer is resembles to the beryllium 4. Okay. Question number 4. Write down the electronic configuration of the following elements from the given atomic numbers. Answer the following question with explanation. That is, A, lithium 3. Lithium electronic configuration is a 2 and 1. Silicon electronic configuration is 284 and helium the electronic configuration is 2. Sodium electronic configuration is 281. Phosphorus electronic configuration is 285. Elements belong to the third period is a silicon, sodium and phosphorus. After that, B, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, sulfur, beryllium, argon. Which of these elements belong to the second group? Elements are hydrogen having electronic configuration 1, nitrogen having electronic configuration 2 and 5, calcium having electronic configuration 2882, sulfur having electronic configuration 286, beryllium having electronic configuration 22, argon having electronic configuration 288. Okay, so elements belong to the second period are beryllium and calcium. C, nitrogen, carbon, oxygen, boron and aluminum. Which of the most electronegative element among these? So electronic configuration of nitrogen is 2 and 5, carbon is 2 and 4, oxygen is 2 and 6, boron is 2 and 3 and aluminum is 283. So among oxygen is the most electric element. Beryllium, carbon, oxygen, boron, aluminum, which is the most electropositive element among the following? Beryllium having the electronic configuration 22, carbon having electronic configuration 24, oxygen having electronic configuration 26, boron having electronic configuration 23 and aluminum having electronic configuration 283. So among those, aluminum is the most electropositive element. E, sodium, phosphorus, chlorine and silicon, magnesium. Which of these has the largest atoms? Sodium electronic configuration is 281, phosphorus electronic configuration is 283, chlorine electronic configuration is 287, Silicon electronic configuration is 284 and magnesium electronic configuration is 282. So sodium has the largest atomic size. Potassium, lithium, sodium, beryllium. Which of these atoms has a smallest atomic radius? Potassium 2881, lithium 21, sodium 281 and beryllium 22. Beryllium has the smallest atomic radii. G. Aluminum, silica, sodium, magnesium, sulfur. Which of the above elements have highest metallic character? Aluminum having electronic configuration 283, silicon having atomic configuration 284, sodium having electronic configuration 281, magnesium having electronic configuration 282, sulfur having electronic configuration 286. Sodium has the highest metallic character. H. Carbons, lithium, fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen. Which of above element has the highest non-metallic character? Carbon having electronic configuration 2 and 4, lithium having electronic configuration 2 and 1, fluorine having electronic configuration 2 and 7, nitrogen having electronic configuration 2 and 5, and oxygen having electronic configuration 2, 6. So fluorine has the highest non-metallic character. Question number 5. Write a name and symbol of the element from the description. The atom having the smallest size. Answer is helium, denoted by He. B. The atom having the smallest atomic mass. Name is hydrogen, denoted by H2. The most electronegative atom. Answer is fluorine, denoted by F2. The noble gas with the smallest atomic radius. Answer is helium, denoted by He. The most reactive non-metal is fluorine, denoted by F2. Question number 6. Write a short notes on Mendeleev's periodic law. When the elements are arranged in the order of their increasing atomic masses, Mendeleev found that the elements with similar physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite interval. On the basis of this finding, Mendeleev stated the periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of element are periodic function of their atomic masses. B. Structure of modern periodic table. Answer in that first point. In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic number. In the modern periodic table, there are the 7 horizontal rows called as the periods and 8 vertical columns called as the groups. The arrangement of the periods and groups result into the formation of boxes. Atomic numbers are serially indicated in the upper part of the boxes. Second point, each box represents the place for one element. Apart from these 7 rows, there are 2 rows of elements placed separately at the bottom of the periodic table. They are lanthanides and actinide series. There are 180 boxes in the periodic table, including 2 series. That means there are 180 places for elements in the modern periodic table. The formation of few elements was established experimentally very recently, and thereby the modern periodic table is now completely filled with 180 elements. On the basis of the electronic configuration, the elements in the modern periodic table are divided into 4 blocks, that is S block, P block, D block and F block. The S block constitute a group first and second. The group 13 to 80 constitute the P block, group 3 to 12 constitute the D block, while the lanthanides and actinide series at the bottom of the F block and D block elements are called as the transition elements. A zigzag line shown in the P block of the periodic table. The zigzag line shows the 3 traditional type of elements, that is metals, non-metals and metalloids. The metalloid element lie along a border of the zigzag line. All the metals lie on the left side of the zigzag line, while all the non-metals lie right side. C. Position of the isotopes in the Mendeleev's and the modern periodic table. Answer. Isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. A challenge was posed in placing the isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table, as isotopes have the same chemical properties but different atomic masses. Isotopes do not find separate places in this table. Mostly find out that atomic number is fundamental property of an element rather than its atomic mass. The atomic number of an element is increased by the 1 unit from the atomic number of the subsequent element. In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in order to their increasing atomic numbers. That time, the problem or the discrepancy in the pairs of isotopes of elements observed in the Mendeleev's periodic table was solved. The isotopes or chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 were placed in the same group as both have same atomic number. Question number 7. Write the scientific reasons. Atomic radius goes on decreasing while going from the left to right. In a period while going from the left to right, atomic radius goes on decreasing and the atomic number increases by 1. That means the positive charge on nucleus increases by unit 1. However, the additional electron is added in the same outermost shell. Due to the increase in the nuclear charge of the electron are pulled towards the nucleus in greater extent. As a result, the size of the atom decreases, atomic radius decreases. Question B. Metallic character goes on decreasing while going from the left to right in the periodic table. Answer. First point. Metal have a tendency to lose the valence electrons to form cations. This tendency of an element is called as a metallic character of the element. Second point. While going from the left to right within a period, the outermost shell remains the same and the electrons are added to the same shell. However, the positive charge on the nucleus goes on increasing while atomic radius goes on decreasing, and thus the effective nuclear charge goes on the increasing. As a result of this, the tendency of atom to lose the electron decreases, that is the electropositivity decreases. Thus metallic character goes on decreasing within the period from left to right. Question number C. Atomic radius goes on increasing down to the group. Answer. The size of an atom is indicated by its radius. While going down a group, a new shell is added. Therefore, the distance between the outermost electron and the nucleus goes on increasing. These electrons experience lesser pull from the nucleus. Thus, atomic radius goes on increasing down to the group. Question number D. Elements belonging to the same group have a same valency. Answer. The valency of element is determined by the number of valence electrons in the outermost shell of an atom of an element. Second point. All the elements in a group have a same number of valence electrons. Therefore, the element in the same group should have the same valency. For example, the elements of the group first contain only one valence electron. The valency of the element of group first is 1. Similarly, for group second is a valency is 2. E. The third period contains only 8 elements, even though the electron capacity of third shell is 18. Answer. In the modern periodic table, there are 7 horizontal rows called as periods. In periods, elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers. The third row contains the 8 elements and electron capacity of the third shell is 18. Second, in the third period, while moving from the left to right, atomic number increases. Number of electrons increases in the shell. The number of elements present in third period decided on the basis of electronic configuration of octet. Atomic number is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Elements are sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Argon is the last element of the third period and has capacity of maximum 18 electrons. Its octet of electrons is completed, and as argon belongs to the 0 group, the third shell contains 18 electrons. Question number 8. Write the names from the description. The period with electrons in the shell K-L-M. It is a third shell, third period. The group with valency 0, 18. The family of non-metals having valency 1, halogen family. The family of metals having valency 1. It's a group first. Okay. E. The family of metals having valency 2, group second. F. The metallites in the second and third periods are answer boron and silicon. G. Non-metals in the third period, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine and argon. H. 2 elements having valency 4, answer carbon, silicon. Okay. So thank you student. पुन्हा भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ मध्ये. थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज लाईक, शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब द चॅनल.